What's up, y'all? I cannot believe how yesterday went with one of my shorts. It hit 10,000 views, guys. Like, what the heck? I'm feeling it today. I'm feeling it today in a positive way. I'm feeling good vibes. I'm feeling good vibes from you guys. I'm feeling good vibes for myself. Just a great start to the morning. I'm trying to get myself out of this slump. I'm trying to make better videos. If you watched my video yesterday, if you haven't watched my video yesterday, go watch it. Let me know what you think. Send me some feedback if you like the video. That it is longer. It is 11 minutes. I'm gonna try to make this video as long if I can and throw out as much content that I can. I don't wanna waste your time, so I wanna make sure everything's entertaining. I just feel like lately I've been making half-butt videos and I really don't like doing that, but since I just haven't been feeling right, haven't been feeling stoked, I feel like it's time to get back to me and why I started this channel in the first place. We all go through ups and downs, and I feel like I had my downs and I'm ready to pick myself back up and get this channel growing again. So I hope you guys understand that last month has just been kind of crazy. Things are still the same, but I'm just ready to not feel like this anymore. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So today we're gonna be doing customer orders. We're gonna be doing some more Shopify. I did download, or I am subscribed to a new app called Uber Suggest by Neil Patel. It's like the cheapest option compared to like Ahrefs and Moz. Sorry if I'm butchering any of these right now, but I will let you know how this goes, and if it works well, I will put in a link below, and it may be an affiliate link if I'm able to, so it would help me out and help you guys out. So hopefully it ends up being pretty good, but it's like $20 a month, so we'll see if it's good, but I'll show you in a little bit the back end of that, and then yeah, we'll just do that customer orders and we'll be done. But I'm just trying to film more and less time lapses. I like to talk and interact with you all, so anyways, let's get to the video. Love y'all. Bro, that's just not okay. I really got to clean up my act here. It's getting messy. All right, y'all, so I'm making a second coffee this morning. I had one earlier. I went to physical therapy for my knee this morning, so I had to chug a coffee. I wasn't able to record this morning, so let's go make another coffee, baby. Yeah, get going. Trying to get hyped up. I'm gonna mostly do decaf because I don't want to be super jittery. My body is super sensitive to caffeine, so I like to half and half usually. I just eat. And then I'll do a little bit of the Cafe Bustelo. It's good to manage your caffeine levels and keeping them like base level. Don't overdo it, you know. So I recommend, if you like drinking coffee throughout the day, you can get this on Amazon. I can put it in the links in the description. It's like you get a 4-pack for like 20 bucks or 16 bucks or something. So I'll put that in the description. And then just a little bit of coffee. Sorry if this kitchen's a mess. I just made food. Slowly cleaning up this morning. I already did my mushroom coffee. If you didn't watch my video yesterday, I made a mushroom coffee. Super good. I did a little tutorial on it. So if you want to watch it, I'll put it right here. I got lazy. I didn't want to use those 2 espresso shot cups, because I'm just gonna pour some creamer in here. I'm not even gonna throw off it. Done. Cheers. Pretty curious about this. Do you guys like watching me do the back end work on video, or do you only like me doing the manual labor? Because I need to figure out what to do about that, because if you don't like it, I need to figure out how to add more, because I feel like my videos will be super short if I don't add the back end work. Just comment down below, let me know. Alright y'all, so it looks like this iPad LCD screen is broken, which is weird because I replaced the the glass because it was cracked. The LCD screen was fine. I replaced the glass, and then after a few days, the LCD screen started flickering, and then it just completely shut off. I looked online, figured out like what the lines were, because it wasn't cracked, you know, it's just like the internal screen was making like glitchy stuff, and looks like there might just be an internal wiring that screwed up. So the whole LCD screen is toast. So I looked online to find a LCD screen for this iPad, which is a 2018, and it's like 80 bucks, and I can get a new one of these for like 120, like a little bit, maybe a little bit more. Something I'm maybe just going up, like upgrading a little bit more. I don't really need anything crazy. I just want to do it for Procreate. I have a Procreate account, so I was just going to use that and make some more designs. So I may just do that. All right, update. I just purchased an iPad. It's the same iPad as this one. It was 128 bucks, and I'm like, I'd rather not keep fixing parts on this because it was $80 just to replace the LCD screen. I'm like, I'm not gonna do that. Like, I'm just gonna get a whole new set. So got an iPad coming. It'll be here tomorrow, and then I'll start doing videos of you watching me make designs and drawing and all that. So it'll be pretty cool. So stay tuned for tomorrow for that. All right guys, so I just made a video for my TikTok. It's one of my decals. I will put it here in the next clip. So enjoy that. And then after that, I will be going over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made.